what I hit. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm liking that. Look at the bottom, tearing it up. Oh yeah, there you go. What's good, man? Shooting up first 50 rounds today of the Diamondback AR-15 with the Holliston scope and a vertical grip. Good angle. Woo, let's do it. Save the rest of them. There we go. Up off of there. Let's do it. That wraps up my first day with the new AR. I put the first 50 rounds through it. Everything went great. The rifle ran smooth, and I'm definitely looking forward to getting more comfortable with it and improving every day at the range. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and follow the journey. This is Shooting with Nate, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.